Hello and welcome to VM 160 for the spring semester of 2022. I wanted to give you a brief introduction as to how this course is going to be set up on D2L. It differs a bit from the course that you had with me last semester. So here we are at the home page. Similar to other courses that you had before, I do have an ease of access to the majority of the course information, which will be under the Content tab here at the top of the page. But you can find all of that same information here with the content browser. I have organized this course by week, so you should be able to keep track of what we are learning about based on the date. So I hope that that will help with organizing. I also have on the homepage quick access to the Zoom links. We'll be using virtual lectures because of the change in the protocol, as well as I will hold office hours virtually on Wednesdays if you need me. So you'll make sure that you are checking the schedule because sometimes we have asynchronous, sometimes we have synchronous lecture sessions. So when we do meet synchronously, you'll go ahead and click the Zoom link there on the home page. All right, as I said, most of the information will be in the Content tab. Please start by going to the course introduction. That will include the schedule and the syllabus. The schedule is constantly changing and it's not even 100% confirmed. So I will keep you posted, but make sure that you are always referring to the updated, most recent schedule as we move forward throughout the course. Required trainings and animal behavior assessment. You have things to complete before we even start. So please make sure to check out that webpage. Lab Resources is a helpful webpage that will include your lab manual as well as a few other bits and pieces of helpful resources. I hope that you visit that page on a weekly basis for some additional assistance. And then, like I said, we have our semester broken into weeks. So when we click on the week, there will be both a lecture and a lab webpage to click on because this is a course that includes a lab and the lecture. So information about the lab that week will be held in the lab webpage if it exists, and the lecture information will always be under the lecture webpage for that week. So just as an example, for the first week, we'll talk about the physical exam. So I want to make sure that there's two things that you know for each week's lecture webpage. One, objectives. Objectives are additional attached documents that include both recommended and required reading assignments or additional assignments for you, as well as what it is that you need to know about the content that we will cover. Meaning, I can test you on these when it comes to your practical and your exams, your homework assignments. So you have to visit those objectives on a weekly basis to know what it is that I need for you to know from what it is that we talk about. So always, always, always visit your objectives. You'll notice that that information when it comes to what you need to know and your reading assignments are not found in the schedule for the course. It's in each week. Okay. Second thing I want you to know is that I'll always give you the PowerPoint file. Sometimes I will give you a recorded PowerPoint file. Sometimes we'll go over that information in a virtual lecture. It's all just going to depend on the week and the topic. So we're going to be kind of doing a handful of different things when it comes to getting material to you this semester. So that about does it. If you have any questions, please let me know. But basically, it's going to be sectioned by week. Make sure to always check out lecture and lab information and always click those objectives to make sure that you are doing everything you need to get all the information that you'll need this semester. I'll see you guys soon.